Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix games crashing on startup after a Windows update. First, open Settings and go to Privacy and Security, then open Windows Security. From there, click on Device Security, and then open Core Isolation Details. Inside this menu, turn Memory Integrity off. If you see Kernel Mode Hardware Enforce Stack Protection, also turn it off. After that, restart your PC so the changes apply correctly. Next, we will refresh virtualization features in Windows. Press the Windows key, type Turn Windows Features on or off, and press Enter. This opens Windows Features. Scroll down and find Hyper-V, Virtual Machine Platform, and Windows Hypervisor Platform. Uncheck all of them and click OK. Windows will remove these components. When it asks, restart your computer. After reboot, go back to the same Windows Features menu. Now re-enable the same three options by checking them again. Click OK and restart your PC one more time. This forces Windows to reinstall these components cleanly, which can fix hidden conflicts caused by updates. Thanks for watching.